Wes Derwinsky. You attempted the record for the heaviest boat pulled 20 metres with the upper body at the Strongman Champions League event in Sandusky, Ohio on the 20th of September 2025. The record to beat was 83.3 tonnes. Wesley, you achieved a total of 118.82 tonnes. That's a new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations, you're officially amazing.
That's a new Guinness World Record.
That's awesome. I never had a Guinness World Record before. Always read the book, so hopefully I get to see myself in there. Come on! Come on! Let's go!